Do you want to start your first Google Ads campaign? Are you interested in increasing your online sales but afraid of going over budget? My name is Anton Voronjuk, and I'm here to help you master your Google Ads campaigns. With the right targeting and analytics funnel, you'll be getting new clients, increasing your brand awareness, and finding new markets. I've been in digital marketing for over 15 years. During this time, my company WebProm Agency has become a Google Premier Partner and a Facebook Marketing Partner. I passed my first Google Ads certification course back in 2010, when the exam cost $50 and it wasn't even mainstream. Every year, Google requires us to renew our certifications. As a result, I've acquired a massive amount of Google Ads certifications over the years. Not only will this course teach you about Google Ads campaigns, but it will also walk you through step-by-step how to integrate Google Ads into your overall digital marketing traffic strategy. We'll be covering the Google Ads interface in depth, and I'll show you how to find great insights for your ad campaigns. Are you ready to take your Google Ads campaign to the next level? Click Enroll, and I'll see you at the following lecture.